Hey beauties, welcome back to Beautyistic. Ever find yourself frustrated with mascaras that promise volume but leave your lashes clumpy, stiff, or smudged by midday? Well, I've been testing a new mascara that claims to give bold volume, length, and a weightless feel all at once, and I'm excited to share my thoughts with you. If you love honest beauty reviews, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss a tip that could transform your routine. The mascara I'm looking at today is the Rimmel London Wonder Volume Thrill Seeker in 001 Extreme Black. It's designed to deliver bold volume and noticeable length while staying lightweight on your lashes. The formula is whipped and creamy, infused with panthenol, which is meant to strengthen and soften your lashes. It promises to be clump-free, smudge-proof, and long-lasting, while its peanut-shaped brush separates every lash for a defined look. Using this mascara was pretty straightforward. The brush is easy to maneuver, even in those hard-to-reach inner corners, and I found it coated my lashes evenly without any flaking or clumping. One coat gives a natural boost, while layering really amps up the volume and length without making lashes feel heavy or sticky. I tried it during a full day of wear, including a humid commute and a few quick touch-ups, and it held up remarkably well. No smudges or raccoon eyes in sight. The panthenol infusion really does leave lashes feeling softer than some of the heavier mascaras I've tried. On the plus side, it's incredibly easy to layer, separates each lash nicely, and the extreme black color makes eyes pop without looking harsh. It feels weightless, so you almost forget you're wearing mascara, and it definitely stayed put throughout the day. On the flip side, while the brush is great for separation, some might find it a bit small if they prefer a broader brush for a faster application. Also, if you're someone who likes a very dramatic, almost false lash effect in a single swipe, you might need a few coats to reach that level of intensity. For value, this mascara sits comfortably in the drugstore range, and considering its performance, long wear, and lash conditioning benefits, it's justified. Compared to some higher-end mascaras I've tried, it holds its own, especially for those seeking a bold yet natural-looking volume without breaking the bank. The packaging feels sturdy and travel-friendly, and I appreciate that it's designed to keep the formula from drying out too quickly. As for longevity, I've had it for a few weeks now, and the formula remains creamy with no signs of drying or separating in the tube. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you are itching to get it, the link is in the comments. If you're looking for alternatives, mascaras like Maybelline Lash Sensational or L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise offer similar bold volume and length, though some feel slightly heavier on lashes, which makes Rimmel's lightweight formula a standout in my book. Overall, I'd say the Rimmel London Wonder Volume Thrill Seeker Mascara lives up to its claims for bold volume, length, and a weightless feel. It's perfect for those who want a dramatic look that's still natural and manageable, and it holds up beautifully throughout a busy day. Thanks so much for tuning in to Beautyistic. If you've used this mascara, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. And remember, the link to grab yours is in the description box. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.